Hey guys, this is my friend Kyle. Kyle, say hi to everyone.
How you doing?
Okay, so we are going to be making bacon beef pizza.
Okay.
Kyle does not eat bacon.
Kyle does not eat bacon.
So
I don't eat pork bacon. I eat bacon.
Turkey bacon is not bacon. Shout out to all the hogs. God bless the hogs. I love you, babe, and your friends. Y'all are tasty. I've never had this with turkey bacon, but we're gonna figure it out.
Try something new.
We're gonna try something new. Are you excited?
I'm very excited. I'm ecstatic.
Okay, let's get things together. So I have my bacon, you have your turkey bacon. And we're going to weave our bacon. Have you done that before?
Don't even know what that means.
So I'm going to show you. You can do the same for your pan. And I have pans lined with parchment paper all ready to go. All right, so take a strip of bacon, turkey bacon, and you're going to lay it flat on the parchment paper. Perfect. We're going to have 7 going vertically. So you're from Chicago.
I am from Chicago.
The land of deep dish pizza.
Yes.
I was there.
How did you enjoy it?
I love Chicago. I was there for a couple years for school, and the food is amazing. The weather is horrible, but I love Chicago.
Is the weather horrible all year round, or is the weather horrible during the winter time?
It's bad all year round. So I don't miss that, but the food is so good, and I fell in love with deep dish pizza. That's when I really got proper deep dish for the first time. So, being a native, what's your favorite type of pizza?
First, love deep dish pizza. I think my favorite is Giordano's.
Okay, I don't even know what to say, because Lou Malnati's has this crust in the sauce. Like, Giordano's is cool, but it's a little soggy. It's not that good.
Whatever you say, whoever, raise your hand if you're not a native.
Okay. We're gonna start off with our first strip.
Question, so is the strips of bacon replacing the crust?
Yes, exactly. That's why it's bacon weave, and it's a carb-conscious option. Now, because those turkey bacon strips are so short, we're actually gonna
not have 7.
Not gonna have 7 for you, because turkey bacon can only go so far. We have our strips going vertically, and now we're gonna weave them horizontally. So have you done this before, Kyle?
I've never weaved bacon before.
All right, well, let's pick up a little slab. The first thing you're gonna do, you can lay that down there, perfect. First thing you're gonna do is take all the odd numbered vertical strips and flap them down. So just pull them down.
1, 3, 5.
Perfect, I'm glad you know your odd numbers. Now you're gonna take that strip and lay it across those verticals that are still upright.
Okay.
Now, untuck the odd number. Simple enough, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're going to take our even numbered vertical strips and pull them up. Take another slab, and then what you want to do is make sure when you're weaving, it's nice and tight. So
I'm assuming that the bacon is replacing the crust, like we have no crust.
See? Yes. You get the
this is
concept.
interesting. I've never had just meat as my bacon.
As your crust.
Yeah,
but it's good. It's good. So we're gonna keep doing that. So flip
the odd ones.
Yep, flip those back up again. I think
I did a good job.
Okay.
Should I show everybody?
It's so good. I'm so proud of you. That's your first time.
You should show them yours.
I will. It's almost done. I want to make sure it's nice and tight. Okay. And this is what my bacon strips look like. Bam. Okay. So now we're going to put it in the oven, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, we forgot one step. We should have put the cookie sheet right on top of the bacon. This is going to help the bacon lay flat while it's in the oven for 23 minutes.
Let's do it.
All right guys, we took our bacon out of the oven. We're going to let it cool for a little bit. So Kyle has agreed to play a game called For the Culture DC Trivia. Kyle, where are you originally from again?
I'm originally from Chicago.
And what brought you to DC?
So I attended the real HU, Howard University.
Shout out to all the bison out there. So you think you know a little bit about DC?
Yes, I am a realtor in DC. I have my own real estate company, and so in DC, and so I know everything about DC. Not worried about it.
Let's see how this goes. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna ask you some questions. You're gonna write your answers down. Once you're done, put the marker down, and then you're gonna reveal those answers to see how wrong you are. You ready?
Let's do it.
Okay. Question number 1.
Oh, Jesus.
What year was DC founded? Reveal your answer. That was great. Yay. Okay. Now erase that answer. I think you cheated. I think you saw these questions.
I don't think I did. I think that I am just well equipped to answer these questions. What's the next one? Bring it on.
Name the first black DC mayor.
Can I get the first letter of his name?
No, that's cheating.
The first letter? Come on, that's fair.
W.
I know this too.
First and last name. I thought you knew this.
I thought I did too.
10 seconds. You better write something. Anything. That's your final answer? You lock that in? Okay, tell us what that answer is.
I don't know.
Oh.
Okay.
It was Walter Washington in 1967.
Wow, that was a good one. That was a good one.
You learn something new every day. You ready for the third one?
Yes, let's do it.
Now this one you need to get right.
Okay.
You ready?
Easy peasy.
Name the HBCUs in DC.
The HBCUs in DC. Well, for starters,
don't say the answer.
Howard University.
I just said write the answer.
The Howard University. The Immaculate Howard
University. That's your final answer.
The one and only.
Okay, thank you.
And I think that I want to say is one more.
Okay, show them what the final answer is.
The Howard University.
That's partially correct.
University of District of Columbia?
Yes, that is UDC is the second one.
I figured.
Okay, now I know you know this one because I'm sure you have friends from the DMV. You ready?
Yes.
What is the popular music subgenre that's associated with funk, which originated in DC in the mid-60s and the late 70s?
Chuck Brown,
yes.
go.
Okay,
let's get it.
Name 5 go-go bands. This should be so easy. This should be, you love, this man just said he loves, come on, 5.
Chuck Brown.
How many times you gonna say Chuck Brown?
The Adele remix.
What?
So I'm not even gonna.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is okay. Really?
You got the go-go swing.
Wait, what is happening right now? Wait, are these your answers?
Wait, now I'm thinking.
You went to Howard. No. I don't even know what you're doing.
Okay.
Write the bands down.
I don't know.
Oh man. I will give you the Chuck Brown band. Yes.
Can you name the other 4?
CCB, UCB, TCB, Rare Essence, Backyard Band, Junkyard Band, Mambo Sauce. The list goes on. That's a true girl, okay? That's what I'm talking about. So now we're gonna get our bacon and finish the rest of this recipe. So our bacon is done. It looks nice and crispy. Now we're gonna add, thank you. Now we're gonna add our toppings. So we're gonna start out with some pizza sauce. I'm gonna take some and just spread it all over my pizza. I like sauce, so I'm a little generous with mine.
Okay.
I should probably share, huh?
Yeah, I want some sauce.
Here you go.
See what's left.
I mean, the pizza's not that big, so it should be fine. Oh, okay, there we go. Perfect. You missed the corner. It's gonna be dry. You know. There we go. Perfect. All right, there we go. Thank you. So now we're gonna add one of my favorite parts, cheese. I love cheese, so I'm going to be generous here as well. How about you, Kyle?
I love cheese.
What's your favorite topping?
Type of cheese? Mozzarella.
And your favorite topping?
On a pizza, I would say I love pizza with spinach on it. I love spinach on pizza.
Interesting.
What about you?
I love pepperoni. You know, I love a little oink oink situation. So I'd say pepperoni.
So you put pepperoni on bacon?
Yes. Yes. Are you judging? Thank you. So now I know you don't really eat pork very often, so I have some toppings that we all can enjoy minus the pepperonis. So dig in.
Let's do it. I love green peppers.
Okay. I'll take all the green peppers.
Okay. So I can enjoy it. I guess not.
Try some Parmesan. Why is it you may want to, you know, rearrange them. There we go. Nice and flat.
I feel savored now with Saba. Savoring with Saba.
And I'll take some. Bam. Thank you. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. So now we're going to put our pizzas back in the oven for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
Wow, Kyle, are you excited to try yours?
I am so excited.
All right, the moment of truth. I'm going to cut into mine, and I'll give you a chance to do that with yours.
Hey.
Okay. I can just smell the bacon. I love bacon.
I can smell my bacon.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, it's okay. Oh my, you need help?
I got it.
The moment of truth.
The moment of truth. Oh my God.
God bless all the hogs.
This is actually really good. And it's like no pork. It's amazing.
Very little carbs. Honestly, it's so easy to make. You can use any topping. It's good. And crunchy. I like the crunch. That's the end of this video. If you want to see more pizza variations, leave your comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want the full ingredient list, go to my website, savoringwithsaba.com. Again, it's savoringwithsaba.com. And until next time, everyone, happy savoring.